JOBY stock analysis tomorrow and onwards. So in this very brief and short 1 minute video, I'm going to break down my exact play and everything with Joby Aviation. Currently, I mean, specifically with this thing, let me just hold on a bit. Yeah, this is where we are. This is very nice. You can see beforehand, this is when I really began buying Joby. Which the video was made like back when it was $5. I was looking to take it to 660 7 months ago, and that turned out to be a very good plus 3R. And with that in mind, this plus 3R now turned out to another long here. I mean, I'm looking for another long, but you can see the rules are not being met quite. Let's just take this catch and make it a little bit more formal in a way where if I do see a shift here, then and only then I'm still going to be buying. But last thing that I'll be doing is randomly getting involved. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. So goodbye and enjoy.